I welcome you to my today's wonderful lesson. Today, let us concentrate on the detailed structure of both the plant cell and also the animal cell. So here's a part where, at least for you to understand very well, you can follow up my previous video where I'm talking about the structures showing the plant cell and the animal cell that are not well detailed structured. So with the detailed structure now, they have these parts, and some of the parts they qualify to say they are being zoomed out with the microscope. So with the parts now which makes up the detailed structure of the plant cell and the animal cell, we have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, the mitochondria, the Golgi bodies, the ribosomes, and some of the parts. So now here's the part where we need to basically understand some of the parts. So we have the smooth and also the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So here's the part where we talk about this endoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum, just the endoplasmic reticulum, once they ask you the function, you just say this is the function, which is to transport some of the substances within the what? Within the cytoplasm. Transporting of some substances just within the cytoplasm. So now here's the part where we need to understand that these endoplasmic reticulum, they are subdivided into two. They are subdivided into two. There is what we call the endoplasmic reticulum, and also, there is what we call the small endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So small endoplasmic reticulum means it has no ribosomes attached on it. It has no ribosomes attached on it. These are the reticulums that do not occupy any ribosomes. Then now with rough endoplasmic reticulum, these are the endoplasmic reticulum that occupies or that contains the ribosomes within it. These are the reticulums that occupies the ribosomes just within it. From there, that is the function of the reticulum. So with the differences, we say rough endoplasmic reticulum, they have ribosomes attached to it, while small endoplasmic reticulum, they don't have the ribosomes that are attached to it. This is the major difference. Don't forget that. So now we also have the ribosomes. So now what do you think could be the function of these ribosomes? So these ribosomes are like this. Please, ribosomes are different to the chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are bigger than the ribosomes. So the ribosomes are the ones that are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum for them to be rough. Okay, so now the function of the ribosome, it is where the protein synthesis kindly takes place. It's where the protein synthesis happens to take place. Are we getting the point from there? I guess you're understanding something. Then now, here's the part where we have what we call the mitochondrion. So this is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondrion is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. So now, what do you think could be the function of what we call the mitochondrion? So it is where respiration happens to take place. It's where tissue respiration happens to take place. So this is a sausage shaped like. You see, a sausage or a rod shaped like. That where respiration happens to be what to take place. That is the major function of what we call the mitochondria. Remember, it is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. So once they ask you in an exam, what do you think will be the powerhouse of the cell? It is mitochondria. That's the major reason in my next video, as I'll be talking about respiration, we also talk about these mitochondria to be one of the source that leads to respiration. So here's the part again where we need to understand something. Here is the part where we have this part which is the Golgi body. So the Golgi bodies, they modify and carry out proteins such as enzymes from the site of synthesis to site of usage. So this is the function is saying it is to modify and carry out the proteins such as enzymes from the site of synthesis to the site of usage. That is the major function of the Golgi apparatus and the Golgi body. So that's the way on how you get to understand this detailed structure of the plant cell and also the animal cell. So don't forget to share, subscribe, and also like to my YouTube channel and also follow my Facebook channel, RB Tuition Center. This has been a tutor, Mr. RB. Thank you more. Bye bye.